In this video, I am going to show you how to use automation template in MailerLite. Let's get started. From your dashboard, you want to go to the right hand side and then click on Create. And from here, you want to click on Create Automation. Now you will be asked to choose a template. Now below, let's say I want to do a simple welcome email. Simply click on the preview, and then it will show you the preview of the automation. And once you're done, head over to select template here on the right hand side. Now in here, as you can see, it will have a blank automation. What you want to do is you want to click on the trigger, and in here you can select the groups that you want. Now once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save. Now it will also be the same for the email. Simply click on the email for the action, and in here you can add the email name and upload or add the fields in which you want to add. Now click on Save here below. Now what you can also do is add more things within this automation. Let's say you want to add a delay, so simply click on the plus sign. And in here, you want to hold and drag the delay, and you can set it on a specific day or time. Click on Save here below. And as you can see, we have successfully used the template. And that's about it. That's how to use automation template in MailerLite. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.